Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about different types of averages. Now there's three averages that we use in maths. They are the mean, the median, and the mode. Now depending on the situation, we could use one of these three different types of averages. The first average, which is the one most people are familiar with, is called the mean. That's where we add everything up together and then divide by how many there are. The median is the middle number. The mode is the most common number. So let's write down some notes for these three different types of averages. So the mean, we add everything together and divide by how many things there are. This is how I like to remember the mean. Add everything together and divide by the total number of things. Now the median is the middle number. The way I remember that median is the middle number is because both median and middle have a D in the middle. Let's write that down. Here is the way I like to remember the median. Median and middle both have a D in the middle, so that's how I remember that median is the middle number. Now, when you do work out the median, have to make sure that you order the data from smallest to largest, because otherwise you don't know which number's in the middle. So once you've ordered it, you can then find the number that's in the middle. The last average we're going to look at is the mode. And the way I remember mode is mode and most both have an MO at the start and both say the sound mo. Let's write that formula here. Mode is most. Hop out the way. Most common number. Most common number. Now, these three averages, we'll look at some examples, but the examples will take place over 2 videos. Okay, let's look at our first example. The mean and the mode. We'll do the median in a minute because that can be a little bit tricky sometimes. So we have the numbers over here. We have 7, 1, 2, 4, and 2. Now the first thing you need to do whenever you get numbers and you're working out some averages is you should order them. This will save you a bit of time if the question has multiple parts to it. So let's first write these in order. So we have 7, 1, 2, 4, and 2. So obviously 1 comes first, then 2, then 2, then 4, then 7. So here we have the numbers now written in order. That'll make our question a lot easier. So first we have to work out the mean. Now how do you work out the mean? Well, the mean, we add everything together and then divide by how many things there are. So we're going to add all these numbers and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to divide by 5 because that's how many things there are. Let's write that down. So the mean is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 5. So now let's quickly work it out. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7. You can do it in your head. Awesome. If you need a calculator, use that. But this is equal to 3, 5, 9, 16. So 16 divided by 5. Now 16 divided by 5 is just 3.2. Again, you're welcome to use a calculator for this. Division is tricky. So 3.2 is the mean of our numbers. It doesn't matter that it's not a whole number. Decimal numbers are correct too. If you don't get a whole number, don't stress. Now, the last thing we're going to work out for this example is the mode. So the mode, which number happens the most? So you can see over there we have two 2's. So that means that the number 2 happens the most. So that is the mode. So the mode is 2. Now the mode can be more than one number. If you have 5 3's and 5 7's, then the mode will be 5 and 7. So we can have multiple numbers for the mode. It's not limited to just one. We can also say, in the situation where every number only happens once, that there is no mode because everything happens the same amount of times. So let's have a look at median. So median is the middle number. Remember the D.